let's start learning Python. The first chapter is Introduction to Python, and we will cover the following topics. First one is Introduction, second one is Features of Python, then Modes of Python, then we will cover the topic Creating and Writing a Program. It means after learning the modes of writing program, we will write program, and after that we will learn executing or running a program. It means how we can get the output of program. We will learn about variables in this chapter, and then we will learn about data types, and then Python built-in functions and comments in Python. Comments are used to give the explanation of particular expression. Now, so let's move ahead. The first topic is introduction. So you know it very well. Python is a high level language. It means it is easy to learn. It uses English words, phrases, mnemonics to write Python program. It is interpreted language, interactive and object oriented scripting language. Interpreted means it uses interpreter to execute a program. It interpret the program line by line, and when there is any error, it gives message of that mistake. It makes debugging of program very easy, and it interactive language and object oriented. So this language, Python language, was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1980s at the National Research Institute of Mathematics of Computer Science in Netherlands. Its first version was released and implemented in 1991. It is widely used by large organizations to build web apps and analyze data and automate operations. So you know it very well. Nowadays, Python language is used in machine learning, deep learning, data science field, in other fields also. And it is very easy and user friendly. That's why we are learning Python language. Let's move to next topic, that is features of Python. So Python is user friendly and high programming language, which makes popular worldwide. Obviously, because it is very easy to learn Python language, it's very easy to write programs in Python language. That's why Python language becomes so popular. Yes. Next, first feature of Python language is easy to learn. That I was telling you, its simple structure is easy code, easy to learn code, and clearly defined syntax makes it very popular among the programmers, students to learn and to improve coding skills. Next one, free of cost. The Python language is a free programming language that can be downloaded from its official website, that is www.python.org. It is an open source, which means that anyone can freely make modification in the source code. It's online this online website, anyone can learn Python coding. Now, integrated, it means it can be easily integrated with the languages C, C++, and Java. Next one is interpreted. This means it is interpreted language, and code is executed line by line at a time. That simplifies debugging. Debugging word means rectifying the errors, correcting the errors, and then make a program correct and makes it suitable for beginners. Next one is portability. It means it is platform independent. It can run on any platform, including Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac. Now come to next topics. Let's learn one fact, that is Python is older than Java. Next one is modes of Python. So that I was telling you, the modes of Python means in which mode we are typing the programs, we are doing the coding. So Python allows us to work in two modes. First one is interactive mode, and second one is script mode. Now firstly we come to the interactive mode. In the interactive mode, you can type a command in the command interpreter window that gives the result of each statement immediately. Means you will get the output or result of the program immediately. This mode is useful for testing code, where you can type the commands one at a time and get the results or errors immediately. This is known as interactive mode, where you are getting the output directly, right after typing the program and clicking on the run button. Now move to next one, how it works, that is how interactive mode works. The first one, to work in the interactive mode, follow the given steps. So what are the steps? Firstly, you have to click on start button, click scroll and click on the Python 3 option, click on the idle Python 3. Idle means integrated development and learning environment. Yes, so you can see the picture. You have to click on start button, you have to click on idle, and then I will show you practical of how to use idle environment, integrated developmental learning environment, to write Python programs. Now let's move to next one, that is the command interpreter window opens, where you will see a Python prompt. This is also known as Python shell. You can also write program in Python shell. Now here in Python shell, you have to type the command at the prompt and press the enter key. Just after clicking the enter key, you will get the result of the program. I will show you this one practically also in idle environment. Now come to next mode, that is script mode. You cannot save commands in the interactive mode and can execute only one command at a time. In script mode, you can write only one command. So if you want to reuse some commands or execute a group of commands, you must save them as a file. You can do this in the script mode. Now in later on next video, you will learn how to use script mode. Thank you.